everything about Lucid.
Lucid's mission is to inspire the adoption of sustainable energy by creating advanced technologies and the most captivating luxury electric vehicles centered around the human experience.
Key statistics. Lucid Air customer deliveries 1,406. Production 2,314. Studios 40. Revenue $149.4 million. Total liquidity of $4.1 billion. Capital expenditures $242 million. At the 2023 New York International Auto Show, the Lucid Air was crowned 2023 World Luxury Car. The Lucid Air was also named to the U.S. News & World Report 2023 Best Hybrid and Electric Cars list for Best Luxury Electric Car. The Lucid Air has set a new industry benchmark for range with two versions that were the first EVs to achieve an EPA-estimated range above 500 miles. We set these new standards leveraging our groundbreaking, in-house developed technology, which continues to garner significant industry attention, with Lucid recently receiving the 2023 Newsweek Powertrain Disruptor of the Year award. We are committed to a more innovative and environmentally sustainable future, designing, building, and delivering the best EVs and technology to the market as we continue to expand globally and develop more exceptional vehicles such as the Gravity SUV. Completed first deliveries of the Lucid Air with stealth appearance, an optional exterior design theme with a darker and overtly sporty personality, began on-road testing of the Gravity SUV, with public unveil planned for later in 2023 and production on track for 2024. Significantly ramped test drive activities across the nation, nearly doubling total test drives compared to the prior quarter. Released new software updates over the air to customer vehicles. Gravity SUV. The Lucid Gravity SUV entered a new phase of development with on-road testing. This luxury electric SUV will offer the driving dynamics of a sports car, greater electric range than any SUV on the market today, and space for up to 7 adults and their gear. The Lucid Gravity will also introduce new glass cockpit high-resolution displays, powered by the next generation of Lucid UX, Lucid's intuitive and elegant software interface. The public unveiling of the Lucid Gravity is planned for later in 2023, with vehicle production on track for 2024. The Saudi twist. As of the 31st of March 2023, Saudi Arabia Public Investment Fund owns 60.5% of Lucid Group. Lucid's earnings per share. Lucid Pure. Starts from $87,400. 480 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. 15 minutes charge gives you 200 miles. Lucid Touring. Starts from $107,400. 620 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. 15 minutes charge gives you 200 miles. Lucid Grand Touring. Starts from $138,000. 1,050 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. 12 minutes charge gives you 200 miles. Ongoing Phase 2 expansion activities in Arizona will add 3 million square feet to our existing plant by 2024. Expansion to include production capacity for the Lucid Gravity SUV, as well as additional production capacity for the Lucid Air expansion, will include an in-factory logistics center, on-site stamping facility, and relocation of our nearby powertrain facility to also be on-site. Lucid's direct-to-consumer sales approach offers an exceptional customer experience from discovery, intrigue, knowledge acquisition, to ownership. Lucid has 35 studios and service centers in North America, 4 in Europe, and we opened our first Middle Eastern studio in Riyadh. 1,406 customer deliveries, 38 mobile vans, 73 nationwide and fleet-approved body shops, 40 studios and service centers. As of March 31, 2023, Lucid had liquidity of $4.1 billion with a runway at least into the second quarter of 2024. Since going public in July 2021, Lucid maintained an average liquidity of $4.9 billion. Lucid has focused on balance sheet strength and shown the ability to raise money in the debt and equity markets through various products including convertible note, ATM, equity offering, ABL, and government programs. Lucid will continue to be opportunistic in exploring and diversifying access to financing sources. Production of more than 10,000 vehicles, with company-wide initiatives ongoing that will enable Lucid to pivot to higher volumes as market conditions allow sufficient liquidity at least into the second quarter of 2024, approximately $1.4 billion to $1.6 billion in 2023. Lucid Air Pure will be available in higher volumes in the second half of 2023. Lucid Air Sapphire production to begin in summer 2023. Lucid Gravity SUV production to begin in calendar year 2024. Strength of balance sheet and investments for growth. Lucid ended the first quarter of 2023 with over $3.4 billion cash equivalents and investments, and total liquidity of $4.1 billion, which we believe is sufficient liquidity at least into the second quarter of 2024. All-time Lucid stock chart. Total insider buys $1.8 billion, $6.83 per share on the 22nd of June 2023. Top institutional holders: Public Investment Fund, Vanguard Group, BlackRock, State Street Corporation, Geode Capital Management, First Trust Advisors LP, Myray Asset Global Investments, Morgan Stanley Brokerage Accounts, Norges Bank, Northern Trust Crop, Amviscap, Nuveen Asset Management, Legal & General Group, Bank of New York Mellon Corp., ALPS Advisors, Bank of America Corp., Susquehanna International Group, Goldman Sachs Group, Charles Schwab Investment Management, 2 Sigma Investments. Price to sales ratio, 16.35. Price to book value, 4.14. Price to cash, 4.07. Market cap, $15.3 billion as of 4th of August, 2023. What would it take for Lucid to grow?
Mass production is going to be extremely capital intensive. Lucid is going to need more investment. Lucid aims to position itself as a premium brand, which could mean low sales volume compared to rivals. Charging network, autonomous driving.